everyone, this is Jack. We are back playing this, we're back storm chasing yet again. And I'm happy because we're going to do some more tornadic situations to where we might die or we might whatever. So we're doing this, so we're going to do this. We're going to be storm chasing only Vortexfury, but I do plan on doing something very interesting next video, so hopefully we can... Shut up, lightning, no one likes you. Alright, anyways. We're gonna spawn in... We're spawning 2 tornadoes. Let's see... Oh, we got 2 areas of rotation. Got 2 areas of concern. They're not on the ground just yet. Oh, we got a funnel. So it looks like they're not moving at all. Ah! Let's get out of the car. Because we got some sort of dirt building up, and we got a funnel right there, and then there's we got debris. We got debris on both of these storms, so we're gonna go after them. Also, I do plan on uploading a lot more. Let's get a picture. Alright. Let's get back in the car now. Yeah, that's what I plan on doing. I plan on uploading a little bit more so I don't stay inactive. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, let's go back in. We're gonna... Okay, let's stay a little back here. We're in the inflow jet. Oh, it might be coming at me. I better back up. Back up. Up. Run. Man, I need to get a probe in. I'm gonna get a probe. Next video. That's what I'm gonna do. Put a probe in the tornado. Ooh, dang, interesting. Is that dirt? Is that Dustbuster coming at me? Please don't come at me. Oh, what the heck are you doing? What are you doing? So we're gonna sit here. That's coming. We'll be fine. We're okay over here for now. Oh, they're lifting. Okay, we're good. We're good now. We're good. Okay. Pretend I didn't spawn these tornadoes. Just pretend I didn't do that. Oh, we got a teal-looking tornado, so we're gonna go after this. All right. Oh, it's throwing stuff at me. I just saw a wheel go fly. Oh wow, look at that thing. Oh, it's a strong tornado. Get back. I mean, I spawned a strong tornado, but just pretend I'm just pretending. Actually, hold up. Let's slow down here. Let's calm down, Jack. Let's calm down. See, really? Oh, it's coming at me. It's coming. Look at that thing. Holy cow. I don't know if that's coming this way or... Looks like it is. We gotta get back. Get back. Oh, I'm off-roading for some reason. Stay on the road. Stay on the road. Oh my god, I can't even drive. It just went over the creek, so we're gonna make a left here. Oh my god, is it for real? Okay, this thing is playing with me right now. Okay, we're gonna stop the car. It doesn't look like to be moving that much. Oh. Tornado sirens. We're gonna floor it. Oh my god, am I gonna get sucked in? Oh, I'm surprisingly okay. I think the tornado's movement is. Take some epic screenshots here. Ooh. Oh, it's coming back. Oh, it's going. It's going. It's doing like. It's wobbling. It's a wobbler. Go. It's the gas station. Uh-oh. Oh, the gas station's gonna get hit. Is the gas station gonna get hit? Oh wow, the tornado died in the ditch. Oh, is that the only thing it picked up? That thing, the barrel? Okay, well, we're just gonna do this. It's probably gonna burn. I don't know. Tornadoes. Ooh, okay. It doesn't look like a wedge, so I think we'll be okay. See, we do have a wall cloud, or we do have a rotation. Why did I say wall cloud? It doesn't even look like it. We got a. Ooh, it looks like the same one, but like a different color, and the funnel looks a little bigger, and more vicious looking. Oh wow. Yeah, this is definitely definitely a strong tornado on the ground. It's barely moving. Oh, never mind. It's moving fast. So we're gonna. Oh, it's gonna hit that house. Well, we got over here. It's gonna hit that house. Take some screenshots. Oh, that's a picture. Oh, it's hitting the house. It's coring the house now. Oh my god. It hit that house dead on. Okay, we're gonna go. Alright, it just went into the creek. Wow, look at that thing. Oh my god, what is it? What is my car doing? Hello? Can you like not do that to me? Oh, it's hitting more stuff. Okay, this tornado is doing significant damage as we speak. Oh yeah, look at that. It's picking up. It's hitting. It's picking up something. I just saw a car get tossed as well. All right, we're gonna. Oh, it hit this area. Do you have another? Oh, we got two tornadoes. We got two on the ground. They're not twins though. We have a bigger tornado over there, and we have a smaller tornado over here. Looks like that one's stuck, and this one is moving. Oh wow, wow, that tornado completely wrecked that shed. The shed. You can see it, like, look at that snake-looking funnel. Oh wow. I don't know if it's gonna die or it's just gonna stay there and be stationary. We got this one right here. Gotta watch that tornado. Oh, it lifted. Okay, so we're gonna stay here. Okay, we're gonna check out the damage it did. This one, I'm gonna watch that one out. So we're gonna check out the damage. Wow, so this might have been like... This looks like a... Oh, this is a wooden home, so... I don't know. I don't know. This home doesn't... This home is destroyed. Even the shed is completely destroyed as well, so... It looks like the other tornado is hitting the... It looks like the gray tornado is hitting the gas station now. Alexa, stop! I'm not gonna edit that out. I want to keep it in. I'm too lazy to edit. I do plan on like doing stuff like that in the future though. So, and don't do that to me, throat, stop please. Or we'll do another car. We're gonna do something. We'll do something insane. Spawn this thing in. And I think I trapped myself. I might have trapped myself. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna watch that area. Area of rotation. Looks like to me like a small... It looks small. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is, right there. There's the funnel. Oh, it's getting there. It's coming. It's coming. Am I stuck? Oh my god, I might be stuck. Oh, this thing is... Oh my god, this thing's vicious. Okay. I don't know where to go because this tornado... Actually, is it missing me? Looks like it's missing me. Oh, screenshots for the win. Some screenshots. Okay, gotta be careful. This tornado is looking very... It's violent. Don't get too close. Just gotta watch it. Oh wow. It's becoming more menacing. Okay. Okay, keep going. Keep going. I don't know why it's doing that, but keep going. GMOD skybox is glitched. This would have been a good looking tornado if the skybox wasn't causing issues, but it's okay. I can't take a screenshot. Oh my goodness, this thing is... Oh, those are cars. Those are cars in the air. Looks to be stationary. Okay, we're gonna stop here. Yeah, we're gonna stop here. This thing could turn back at us, so we gotta watch out. Is it coming? It looks like it's coming. I gotta... Yeah, I don't trust it. I really don't. I don't trust the tornado. That's something I need to be careful. Okay, I think it's barely moving. God, this is... Look at how violent that thing looks. Oh my god. Okay, it's moving away. Oh, it lifted. Okay, we're good. We're good. Tornado is gone. We're gonna do this. Okay, I know this is gonna... Oh god. Okay, we have 2 tornadoes. Okay, this is bad. This is tough. This is really tough. All right, we're gonna get out of here. We got something big. Something big. This is a big wall cloud too. This is not gonna be good. And we got something. They're both violent. They both are. Oh my goodness. Oh, I gotta be careful. This tornado. The brown tornado's coming. We got a drill bit on the ground. Looks like. Well, we have 2 drill bits. Oh, that one's transforming. Look at that. It's now multi-vortex. Okay. So we got 2. Oh, are they coming? Oh, they're definitely coming. They're definitely coming. I gotta go. Gotta move. I got to move. Come on, get on the road. All right, I had to off-road it because I was trapped. There's nowhere I can go. You can see the drill bit. That is violent. That is a violent-looking tornado. Oh my goodness. Just look at that motion. Oh, the freaking drill bit's coming. I gotta get out of here. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Oh my goodness, back up, please. Oh, that brown one, man. That brown one. Look at that. Oh god, that's okay. That is just scary. That is a scary looking tornado. And it's going straight towards the house. The house is getting a direct hit. Yep, you can see the damage. Oh my god. This is unfortunate for that house. That's a monster. That's a wedge. That's a wedge tornado. Wow. Okay, we're gonna get back in. We're gonna. It's yeah. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay, maybe stop the car here. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think they're dead. Okay, they're lifting. They're lifting. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. All right, let's get another. Let's get another vehicle. We're gonna chase a few more tornadoes. I'm gonna wrap this up. Okay, this is gonna be bad. Oh my god. Turn the car around, sir? Okay, there we go. Oh my, oh no. This is not good. This is really not good. Okay, we're gonna get a little close, but not too close. This is, oh wow. Look at that. Just look at that thing go. It's hitting stuff already. It's hitting stuff already. Oh my god. I mean, it's looking. Oh, okay, there we go. Here we go. This is where it's good. This is bad. This is where it's bad. Monster dirt eater on the ground. Monster dirt eater. It's hitting that dude. That house is that house is no more. Oh my god. This is insane. This is crazy. I mean, I'm like literally in like. I'm like in the. Yeah, I'm in the inflow jet. This is a dust mob. This is a monster dust buster. Camera's shaking. This thing is this thing's insane. You see the debris being like wrapped around. Yeah, that's insane. Oh my god. Making more screenshots. More screenshots. Even the garage guy took a direct hit. Oh my god. The house is. Oh my god. Wow. We're like right behind it. Actually, we're in front of it. Actually, I can't tell because I don't know where it's going. I'm glad I don't hear it, because if I heard it, I would have been screwed. Wow. The house is like no more. The garage is significantly damaged. I mean, the Whitfield probably took it out, but oh, back up. Oh, gotta go. Dude, what are you doing? Why are you doing that? Why were you doing that? Why were you swerving like that? You do realize there's a tornado? Never mind, it's lifted. Next time, please don't swerve on me like that. Please. That is not safe. This isn't a game. This isn't a game. We're gonna like spawn it like right here, and then oh my, frame rate drop there. All right, this is the final countdown, or the final round of tornadoes, and we're gonna wrap this. Uh-oh. I mean, I think we have to leave. Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta go. Go. Just go. Multiple vortex in front of us. Oh, dear God. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's stay here for now. This is violent. Oh wow, that brown one looks scary already. Holy Jesus. Oh God, I'm more concerned about the brown one. I'm more concerned about it. Oh jeez, man. Oh, horizontal vortex. Look at that. Horizontal. It's throwing debris like it's nothing. Oh my God. Alright, we're gonna do not get a bit. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Bail in it. This thing's a monster. Both of them are. Oh my God. Stop the car. Stop. Okay. I can hear it. You can hear the thing. Oh. Oh. Satellite right there. You can see it. Oh, there it is to my left. You can see the satellite like rotating around the tornado. Holy cow. Oh, we're in the satellite. We're in it. We're in it. There it is. That's a satellite. Wow. Oh God, I think we have to get out of here. I think we need to go. We need to get out of here. Let's go. Unless it's staying still, which I hope it to goodness it is. Nope, I was wrong. Okay, stay over here. I think we're good. Now, normally these tornadoes are... Oh my God. Insane. Look at... That is a beast. That's a beast of a tornado. Are the tornadoes gonna lift? Oh, yep, they're gone. Yep, that's it. That's it. That's how you. This is what you do. That's it for storm chasing. I'm gonna chase in another. Okay, I gotta chase another area. This place is just not good for me. I'll talk to you later.